guys, July 29th, 2022. This one here I got a call. Actually, I was at this other lady's house fixing her AC, and I guess her housekeeper was there, and she knew who I was, and I was getting paid for the job, and she come to the door and said, "Oh yeah, can you fix my AC?" So I handed her a card and told her to call for an appointment. So a couple of days later, I'm gonna go over there and see what's going on with this unit. I guess her boyfriend's at the house and she's out working or whatever, so I know who she is. I know the lady. She's been around for, I knew her for a long time, as far as, you know, at the donut shop, she was always working there, or she knew my neighbor. Her sister was married to my neighbor or some crazy shit like that. Small world, right? But anyway, we're gonna go over there and see if we can help out this damsel in distress. She's got no AC. We'll try to figure out what's going on. Miss Marley stayed home today. We'll try to get you some shots.
Yeah, it's a new system.
Alright, so it's a new system. The fan runs inside here.
Yeah. It makes no noise in here except outside.
Okay. Well, look at this, huh?
I don't know.
That's shitty. Alright, let's turn it on and I'll check it outside. So,
okay.
put automatic, cooling, and say the outside don't work.
No.
Alright, we'll figure it out. Probably the capacitor. See if we got any power coming in here. No power. What's on? Everything's still attached here. Did it trip right away, or what did it do?
Well, no, it went okay. You want to see? Come here.
Yeah, I want to see.
Everything is in a closet.
Not good.
No cellar.
Yeah, we don't want. That's not good. The breaker won't stay on?
What?
The breaker won't stay on?
It stays on, yeah.
It does?
Yeah. This is the one that works with air conditioner. This one.
Only 20
I
amp.
tried putting off and on. That's the only one that works.
Huh. Alright, well let me see what's going on with that. That's kind of weird.
I know, huh? Yeah, that's only one. Once in a great while, maybe once a week, we'll put them off and I'll put it back, you know what I mean?
So it does trip?
Yeah, once. Maybe once, twice a month.
Twice a month?
Yeah, it's not cool.
Oh, there's fuses in here, that's why. There's fuses in here. Alright, so we got 240 there.
What is this here to do with that?
No, it's got, see the fuses in here? I got power coming in, but I think I got a bad fuse. Let me check it. That's got continuity there. That's the one that's broken. See it?
Oh, there's one broken.
Yeah, I got a bad fuse there. Yep, that one's open line. But it's not supposed to be tripping the fuse. It's probably a bad capacitor. And then this one's...
when the guy put the air conditioner,
this one's okay. So I got to change that fuse there. What did he say?
He says, oh, he probably needed a new box, but this system is small. It's not that big, you know. You know, the power for the electric. Because your system is small. So
it's only 20 amp. He only got 20 amp in there. It might be too small for this unit. I bet you.
It's been working all these years, about 28 years.
Right here. Yeah, minimum 16, so he's got a 20 in there, so it should be okay.
Yeah, that's what he said.
Yeah, so he should be fine.
I got it for about 28 years.
Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna change that. We're gonna change that there, and we're gonna check this capacitor, which it might be questionable.
Yeah.
It's not supposed to be tripping like that, you know what I mean?
Like I said, once in a great while.
Once in a great... That's what our problem is right there.
I hope so.
That's your problem.
I miss my ear.
It's a 20 amp. I should have something in here, even if it's a 30, because there's 20 at the panel, so it really doesn't matter if it's a little bigger. I got a breaker. I got a fuse. Bigger size. Sometimes you gotta dig deep, mama. Get some more. To 25, just fine. Just make sure it's good here first before we put it in. So that's in right there. I should check this capacitor while I'm here, just to be for 35.5, just for shits and giggles, because that's not right.
That's old.
We could have an issue here, you know.
Yeah, that's an old.
Let's check it while I'm here before we fire anything up. Make sure that we're good.
Okay.
Make sure that the capacitor's good. We're 25 there. That might be what our problem is. There's 25 for the capacitor. It should be 35.
Yeah?
See 35.5 on there?
Yeah. So you need...
Watch.
You need a new one?
Watch. 25.
Oh.
See it right there?
I can see it, but you can see. I need my glasses to see.
It's only 25. It should be 35. If you look at that, it says 35 on there. See it? So let's get the right one in there. That might be what our problem is.
You know what they say in Portuguese? If it's not the ass, it's the pants.
If it's not the what, it's the what?
If it's not the ass, it's the pants. That's a Portuguese thing.
Alright, let me see.
So what kind of dog you got now? You said the other one died, right?
Oh, I got a new dog.
Yeah. I had two of them, they both died.
Really?
Yeah. Now I got a cat.
I wonder what this capacitor, it's probably a 3. The run caps are 35. I just have to check the motor, what the motor calls for.
Okay.
I bet you it's a 3. He's got a 5 in there, but he did have a 35-5 in there. Because if not, what it does is it could burn the motor out if it doesn't have the proper one. You gotta have the proper stuff.
I'm sure.
You know?
Yeah. I'm sure.
Calls for a 3. Calls for a 3 capacitor, which is common for a Ruud. Really had a 5 in there. Let me get the right one for you.
Okay.
Give it a good hosing. It's actually the best way to do it, cleaning it from the inside, you know. Especially that back over there, it's really bad. Nice hose, huh? This is a nice hose.
Not bad.
This is really nice.
I ordered that one, the extension we 140, we bet you 150. That's not wicked good.
This thing's really nice.
Yes, that's the truth. Oh yeah. No problem.
Yo, how you doing, Mama? That's really the best way of doing it. Give it a good douche. Give it a good douche. A little douche will do you, Mama. And keep it clean. Didn't even clean the back. Make sure I give it a good douche. A little douche will do you, Mama. I'm gonna change that capacitor. It's no good.
Berkshire Hathaway.
Oh yeah.
My husband used to work there, so I worked there.
Alright, so we got a new capacitor. We got the right proper one here. Let's see if this one fits in there. Might not.
Yeah, that one is a little rusty, right?
A little. I don't know why it won't fit in there. I think I gotta take that other thing out of there. That's what I said. Oh shit, that's right.
Yeah.
Wait, why don't you go shut it off inside for a minute
Okay.
here?
Ouch.
If you don't mind. I don't know what all this fucking shit is. Look at some kind of snails or something in there. Oh. You can check the capacitor rating on the fan and on the compressor. It'll give you a rating. This one's weak. Take that sleeve out. Save that for the next job. This should drop right in. Look at that shit. Yeehaw. Alright. We got the purple, which is the Herm.
What is it?
We got the brown, which is the fan.
Yeah, that thing is all rusty.
We got all kinds of snails in here.
Oh God, they must have got in there. Ooh.
Slugs.
Yeah. Get them up. Let me see. Ooh.
Well, get your rubber gloves on. You can come over here and start pulling them out of here if you want.
Hold on. I'll get my gloves.
You want to do it barehanded?
No.
Come on.
No, here. Hold on. I'll get a glove.
Don't look puffy. It's just wimpy.
Hold on.
It's only snails. A little snail action happening here. And two of the common. Common there. And a common there. Get this, you're gonna pull these snails out of here. But so brown is the fan, purple is the Herm, and the common is the orange. Turn it on inside and we'll check it now.
Turn it on. You wanna go?
Turn it on.
Yeah, try it.
She should fire up now and we'll check
hope
it.
so.
We'll check the amps.
What is this thing? Look at this.
Alright.
Look at that. Yuck. Yuck.
Watch out.
Oh,
Holding
look
me
at
up.
that on there.
You're holding me up here.
I'm sorry.
Holding up a good man.
I'm sorry. Oh my God, it's working.
It's alive.
Can I hug you? Oh my God, it's alive. Oh, I can't believe it.
4.6.
It's good.
That's good.
It's alive. It's working. I told him, can I hug you?
6.6. 6.3.
Everything is good?
Well, so far. Should probably check the charge. Has it been cooling okay?
Yeah.
Gotta give it a minute to run here. We'll.
I changed the filter every, like, I'll change it at the end of the summer, you know,
Yeah.
there's only one filter.
Yeah, when it's dirty.
At the end of the summer, then I change.
Compressor's sweating. Let me put my gauges on and see what it's doing, okay?
Okay.
See we're at 34 there? That should be like 9. We're overcharged there. We're gonna take some out. See how high that is? Oh good. I can tell the compressor's sweating. Let me take a little bit out, it'll work better.
Okay, get out of his way.
Compressor's drying up now, it's sweating before. Alright, so we took, our soup heat's around 30, 63, which is good. Subcooling's a little bit high still, but that's the best I'm gonna get it right there.
That's good.
That's better than it was. You can see this compressor's not sweating anymore. And it doesn't sound as bad. Here it's not as, you hear how it's quieter? It's not sweating. So that's gonna run better like that. Kind of crooked in there, but it's running better now. Nice and warm coming out. I wonder what year it is. It's an 02. 20 years old and it's not leaking.
I know it's only about 20, yeah?
20 years old.
Yeah, I do. It was here for a while before I could afford to put it.